Introducing the Dual Stream Filter Screen from WSG and Solutions Inc. The screen is designed with a versatile center flow pattern, which allows for a wide range of flow with low head loss. The high-strength UHMW guide links, stainless steel end seals, rubber panel seals, and replaceable guide track wear bars provide superior capture rate and durability. The endless loop screening grid is made with either perforated plate or filter panel assemblies. Options available in non-metallic and stainless steel. Tilt-out panels make it easy to maintain and replace without complete grid removal. The rack and pinion operated bypass gate is simple to use. The compact engineered design is completely shop assembled to facilitate quick and easy installation. A triple header high pressure spray system with dual strainers helps to keep the screen clean and operating efficiently. The material handling system includes an integral compactor or sluice trough. With unmatched efficiency, outstanding filtration capabilities, and ease of installation, the dual stream filter screen can meet your industrial needs today. Contact us today to learn more.